When I first reach a doctor this morning, I'm glad me reach early, me say. And the people who I drive fast, you know, who I drive good for true, come me reach early. Thank you, Jesus, me reach early. Who I can't wait to get the Vaseline this morning. And the first come a doctor, come doctor, and hurry up and reach, man, and the first come.
Yes, I doctor office.
Yes, yeah, man, I asked a young boy, man. You number few, man. Sit down there, man. I'm the first reach. You can't smoke and drive and man in place, man.
I want to tell you, I'm nervous, you know.
What are you nervous about?
I'm come for a shot, you see me?
Shot. Who you shot who?
I shot the combat.
Shot. Who you shot who?
The thing on the 2021 shot, man, I make you see me?
Oh, it's Vaseline. Why make me get young beside me come for young boy? I can't wait and say that.
Don't worry, man, this will get you.
Mr. Cougar Par next?
Yes, Mr. Cougar Par, I'm next. Young boy, me soon come. I'm going to get young, me soon come. I'm going to get young boy. Doctor, me I come, me can't wait. Man, doctor. Boy, doctor, me couldn't wait to come. Hurry, doctor. Hurry up and give me Vaseline. Come here, say get younger and you show my yard and complain. Come, doctor. So what that, doctor?
Vaccine.
So you know, I want to rub up again. So are the new vaccine do that?
Vaccine.
But if you say I want to rub up like an ear eye, doctor. Come, doctor, hurry up, doctor, man. Come. I'm going to get young and keep shop I had a complaint. Come to right there on the inside. Come on. Yeah. Alright, doctor. Alright, to the Murabini. You know, doctor, Murabini there. Me look young?
You look ultimate.
Me look young, doctor?
You look ultimate.
Me get young? Young boy. You say me get young boy. You tell you say Vaseline a work. Cougar Par up and running. Watch out. Cougar Par. Vaseline. Cougar Par. I kill Fisher in the boat, young boy. Me tell you. Go and go get the Vaseline. Where you wait, man? Go and go get the Vaseline.
Doc, next!
It dey work. I kill Keisha.
Yeah, doc.
Morning.
I vaccine this.
Yes, the vaccine.
A young one more on to you see me? 2021 man, you see me? What you read, Steve? You see me? Now go on read after this. So it has pills, so doc.
Yeah, man, after school.
Me go good.
You go good, man.
You sure some more good after this? Huh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's one, that. See me?
I'm a young boy, there, man. I can't believe the word to rob you. Young boy, I'm going to feel.
Yeah, man, I'm here for my receipt. I get you, man. So, how me look?
You look same way.
That me I tell you, man.
So what boy? You know make you feel young? Eh? Young boy? No man, young boy. How about you, young boy? I grandma name you, young boy. No man, I do grandma name you, man. Young boy, I do grandma name you, man. Young boy, I'm going Doctor. I go one name you. No, to the young boy, man. I do grandma name you. Glad. Young boy. I do grandma name you to Clad.